The following presentation is intended for financial advisors only. This event may include statements that contain forward-looking information, and such statements may be subject to risks and uncertainties, some of which are significant in scope and by their nature beyond the controls of the investment advisor. There can be no assurance that such information will prove to be accurate, and historical results are not necessarily indicative of future performance.
Greetings, I'm Mike Hurley, Chief Market Strategist for NexPoint, and welcome to our Market Minute for Monday, April 26th, 2021. Well, what was important this week were the 4 C's. We often talk about the 2 C's being copper and China, and we've got 4 this week: copper, corn, China, and cargo, which I'm going to use as the Dow Transportation Average. All 4 are great bellwethers of economic activity, growth, and strong economies and strong markets. And as you can see in the charts here to the right, all 4 were quite strong last week and have been for several weeks. Copper broke out of the little bullish flag we talked about several weeks ago and actually made a new 10-year high, highest high in 10 years. Corn was also strong, up 12% on the week. That makes me think the conversations may start drifting soon from reflation to outright inflation. China has pulled back and held, which is exactly what we wanted to see. And the Dow Transportation Average was up for the 12th straight week. Again, rail cars, truckers, they move goods around the country. And so when the transportation average is strong, it's confirmation that the markets and the economies are strong. Stepping back and looking at the big picture, commodities, again, remain in that uptrend, and they've gotten stronger over the short term. That bodes well for the reflation trade and growth. The 10-year Treasury is pulling back, but the big move was getting through 140, which again is good news longer term for the markets. And finally, if you look at the chart to the right, the S&P 500 nearly made a new high last week. It traded in a tight range, but again, market internals such as breadth and leadership remain solid, and this continues to look like a bull market that's in the early innings of the game. I've been Mike Hurley, and this is our Market Minute for Monday, April 26th, 2021. We'll see you next time.